Okay, students, for question number 6. Now, I know that this is a substitution problem, and that might confuse you at first. Like, how is this a substitution problem? This is, I have y, I have x, they're talking about graphing. How is that substitution? Well, the reason that it's substitution is your coordinates. See, because we've talked about coordinates in class. Coordinates are solutions. See, so the thing is, what is really, 5 comma 0, it, truly is x equals 5 and y equals 0. So if I know what x equals and I know what y equals, why don't I just substitute the value of x where I see x and substitute the value of y, which is 0, in for y? And let's see if I can get the same number on both sides. If I can get the same number on both sides, then I'm correct. And then I don't have to graph. I don't have to do any of that stuff. Watch how this works. And if you get used to this technique, this is actually a pretty cool technique. Okay, so I'll write the equation y equals 1/4 x plus 5. Okay, I'm going to open up some parentheses for y equals 1/4. Open up some more parentheses plus 5. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace x with 5. Why is it 5? Because that's the first value in the coordinate for letter A. Let's try letter A. And so also in letter A, that in the coordinate, the value for y is 0. All right, so let's see if this works. So I have 0 equals, now 1/4 times 5, well, that's basically 1 times 5 is 5 divided by 4. I'll just leave that as a fraction. I don't think this is going to work. I mean, 5/4 plus 5 is like, that's over 6. I don't think that's equal to 0. So, when I substituted, the goal of substitution is to get the same number on both sides. That didn't happen. That didn't happen at all. So A obviously can't work. So let's try B. Let's try the values for B. I've got two values for B. I've got 0 and I have -20. Okay, so we'll make x equals 0 and we'll make y equal -20. I don't think that's going to work right away because on the left side I'm going to have -20. This is just nothing. And that's plus 5. So I don't think those values work either. We should probably try something else. So we can try letter C. Okay, letter C is 0, 5. So we'll make x equals 0 and we'll make y, 5. I think this is going to work because on the left side I'm going to have 5. On the right side I got, 1/4 times 0 is nothing. And then I got the plus 5. So it looks like, hey, 5 equals 5. I got the same number on both sides. Then this must be the correct value for y and the correct value for x. Then I guess C must be my answer. So if you're confused as to how to write out your steps, what I would do is I would say step 1, write your equation. Step 2, substitute the values in the coordinates. Step 3, multiply. Step 4, look to see if you have the same number on both sides. That's how I would write it out, and I hope this helps.